Hello students, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to talk about sex determination in human beings. So before going to talk about sex determination, let us try to understand the chromosomes and its types. Before going to talk about chromosomes, let us try to understand what is a chromosome. So as discussed in previous videos, all living organisms are made up of cells and this has a cell nucleus. All living organisms are made up of cells and it has a nucleus. So the nucleus contains the thread-like structures. This we are calling it as DNA or the genetic material. So this DNA has two forms. So when it is in this thread-like forms, so these thread-like structures, these thread-like forms, we call it as chromatin. This thread-like forms is called as chromatin. So in all the normal cells, this is how the DNA will be in the form of thread-like structures. But in case of dividing cells, it means the cells which are undergoing cell division. So this chromatin is packed. This chromatin is tightly packed, and these tightly packed are represented in the form of X-shaped structures, and these are called as chromosomes. So these tightly packed structures are called as chromosomes. So if you take a dividing cell, it has thick X-shaped structures. Okay, so these thick X-shaped structures are called as chromosomes. So if you talk about human beings has 23 pairs of chromosomes. So out of these 23 pairs, 23 pairs means completely 46. So 46 chromosomes. So out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are called as autosomes. The 22 pairs are called as autosomes. It means they take care of the general activities of the organism, general or metabolic activities of the organism. And the one pair is called as allosome, or it is also called as sex chromosome. This one pair is called as allosome or sex chromosome. So this is responsible for determining the sex of an individual. So this allosome is responsible for the determining sex of an individual. So in males, the allosome combination is XY. In females, the allosome combination is XX. So simply remember this one. No? So XX is same, both are same. So it is called as homozygous combination, right? So whereas males, it is XY, this is heterozygous combination. So rarely they may ask you to confuse the questions, particularly in competitive exams. So coming to the sex determination part. So if you see here, males we represent them as XY and females we write them as XX. As the other 22 pairs are same, we need not to write them. Or we can also write like this: 44 plus XY, 44 plus XX. So when this when the meiosis takes place and the gametes are formed, here it forms 22 plus X and another gamete will be 22 plus Y. Whereas in this case, both the gametes will be same because XX is there here. So 22 plus X. So make a note here, in males, two different gametes will be formed, right? Males, two different gametes will be formed. Whereas females, all the gametes are same. So when this gamete fuses with this one, it will form 44 plus XX. And when this fuses with this one, it will form 44 plus XY. It means this combination will become female and this combination will become male. So during the every sexual intercourse or during every pregnancy, there is 50% chance for production of females and 50% chance for the production of males. Okay, so which gamete is going to get fertilized with the egg, that is cannot be uh, like that cannot be determined. Okay, so if you look at in the diagrammatic way, so if you have here XY male and XX female, so this will, when X fuses with X, it forms XX. When X fuses with this X, it will form XX. And when X fuses with this Y, this will form XY. And when this X fuses with Y, this will form XY. So you can see here, according to this chart also, there is 50% chance for males and 50% chance for the females. So try to solve these questions. Thank you for watching the video. In the next video, I will be talking about evolution. Like and share the video. If you have enjoyed the video, drop a comment below.